Hi everyone, this is Joseph from 4S Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra, but before I get into this review, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I have another case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. In today's video, I have a case from Poetic. This is the Neon Mag Pro case for your S24 Ultra. They also have the Neon case without the Mag Pro or MagSafe in there, so we'll check out both of them in a different video. I need to give a shout out to Poetic for actually sending this case out to me for a review. Like we normally do in my case videos or reviews, we'll make sure everything lines up. Can you wireless charge? You know, do you get camera protection? Do you get lip protection for your display? How hard is it to get the case on and off? Does the MagSafe work with the S Pen? You know, just the normal things you look for in a case review. I will have the links in there, so you look in the description. You can pick this up from Amazon. But the same packaging you get from Poetic, I like it. Also back there too, the same thing. It says the Neon Mag Pro S24 Ultra case. Designed in the US, made in China. You can follow them on their social media websites there, like Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it. I think most people still say it's Twitter, but you know. So here is the case itself. So the MagSafe actually turns into the ring, actually turns into a little kickstand. You have a little Poetic logo there. It is a two-piece case, so this is a rubber case in the inside, and then you have the hard plastic. It says military grade protection in the inside here. I love how it has extra grip on the side, so you get some grip with this case, because again, the phone is a slippery phone. The power button looks like it's ridged too, so let's try this out. Get it around. So it fits really snug in there. Everything lines up at the bottom. Everything lines up at the top. This is how it looks with the gold and black, or yellow and black phone. The power button feel nice and tactile. Vine rockers are easy to press. The camera cutouts, you get nice precise cutouts there. I mean, not precise. You get a lot of protection for your camera cutouts. They're not precise cutouts, but it will do its job when you lay it down. And then also, you get lip protection all the way around this case here. So you have at the top and bottom, but also the sides come a lot over the display itself too. Now, in the overall fit, let's check that out. It's a little loose around here. I mean, you can see I'm pulling it apart. Down here it's tight, so where the plastic is here, it's a lot tighter, but where this is a little bit loose. I don't think that's the overall problem, because it comes back to it. And then trying to take it off, you do have to use some effort there to take it off, so that's a good thing. It's not popping off. So the overall fit is good. I mean, could it be better? Yes. Definitely could be a little bit better too. Now, if you drop it, does that plastic piece come off? No, it doesn't seem like it comes off at all, which is good. Now, let's check out the kickstand here. So you can watch your favorite YouTuber like this. You probably can watch it like that. And then even vertically you can watch it. So that kickstand works out pretty good, and you probably could use it as a little ring too. I don't know if I would trust it, because you could probably snap it off, but I mean, it definitely works as a kickstand, which is good, because you don't have to worry about, when you're watching TV, you don't have to worry about it just sitting there and, you know, falling down. You can have a little kickstand involved too, which is good. I mean, I appreciate that. Now, the last thing, how strong is the magnet and can you use the S Pen? And let's check out, almost forgot. How hard it is to get the S Pen out? It is easy to get the pen out. I mean, that was simple because again, it comes down. It gives you a little room to actually go ahead and pull it out. So the magnet is strong. I mean, that's a good magnet. It pulled off the wire before coming off. That made a lot of noise. Can you lift it up without falling? Yes. So, overall, that is a strong magnet. The other thing too, before I go any further, it doesn't really add bulk to your phone. It's not a bulky case. Look, you can see that angle all the way around. It's not a super bulky case. It's not a heavy case either. Maybe I need to get a scale or something to check out the weight of these cases, but doesn't add bulk. I like the grip. I like how it feels in my hands, paws. But I definitely like the grip on this case. And then, again, let's try it out. So the magnet is there. Let me open this up. I have my pen. I'm going to create a note. And let's see. So I am not having any problems using the S Pen. And the pen is charging. I mean, the phone is charging right now. I have the MagSafe on there. I have no issues with the S Pen. Taking notes, writing down at all. So that's a good thing. I can write Forbes, tech, reviews. So no issues using the S Pen, which is becoming a big thing for a lot of people these days. Also, let's check out the edge panel. You can get to the edge panel without any trouble. So I know that was a big deal for some people too. So overall, I do enjoy this case. I do like how the power button and the Vine rockers feel. I like the overall fit. It could be a little bit better fit up here, especially where the plastic is not. Definitely could be a better fit. But the top and bottom fits snug. Overall, the bulkiness is good. The MagSafe is really strong. I do like how they use the kickstand too. That's a great idea. I know more companies are starting to use that. So I like that. I love the orange part of it with the black. So overall, it's a nice looking case for your Galaxy S24 Ultra. If you want to pick it up, look in the description. I will have the links there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you definitely do so for more coverage on the S24 Ultra. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forbes Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day.